I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by looking outward and naming the most pressing needs. Map 3 priority problems and why they matter. Once done, invite a small core team, 5 to 10 people, and assign roles so action starts today. Make sure to set one clear, measurable goal: who you will serve, by when, and how you will measure success. This creates momentum and reduces wasted effort. You are building capacity while keeping focus on tangible results that guide every next step. You now convert momentum into a working plan. Create a 3-month timeline with weekly milestones and named responsibilities so accountability is clear. Then, once milestones exist, secure essential resources: an initial budget, donated goods, a regular meeting place, and any small permits, so operations are legal and steady. Make sure to coordinate with 2 to 3 local partners who already reach the people you want to help. Their trust and infrastructure accelerate. You launch with a 30-day pilot and closely track the metric you chose, checking progress weekly. Once launched, gather quick feedback from beneficiaries and volunteers, then make deliberate adjustments within the next 2 weeks so improvements compound. If things go wrong, progress stalls, or confusion grows, pause, review roles and communication lines, and trim the scope back to core activities that reliably work. This troubleshooting ensures you finish strong and leave a repeatable, sustainable way for the community to continue helping itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.